Hello and welcome to Miniezshops How to Sculpt videos. Today we're going to be learning how to bake your clay. This is assuming one thing, of course, that you use Sculpey, which is what I use. A brief introduction. Sculpey is a polymer clay and it's colored, different colors, and it's what I use. I'll have a different video for it in the future, but there's Primo, Soufflé, and Sculpey. All of them have their baking instructions on the top, and they all bake at 275, but for different times. So this is a convection oven. It's a KitchenAid. Normally I just bake my pieces you can also bake your pieces in a normal oven. I used to, but now I bake it in this because it's out in my studio and there's not really room for a big oven, but there's room for this. Okay. To do this, what you will need also is a kitchen thermometer. This one I just got off of Amazon. I think it's KitchenAid, but I'm not sure. It is very helpful because clay, if the temperature is not consistent, it will crack. And that is not something that you want to have happen when you spend a few hours on a piece. Okay, to bake this, we set it to the bake dial. Then we go to 275 degrees, but I've noticed with this oven, we want to put it up a little bit more because when I open the oven to put my clay in, it decreases the heat as told by this. So it takes about 10 minutes for the heat to start, like for it to be up to temperature. So you can start it by turning on the oven. Also, you can just watch this. And when you do that, make sure your setting toast is off if you're using convection oven. If you're just using a normal oven, just put it on bake, not broil. So, once we have this warming up, we'll let it warm up for a while. And I will say a few things about the different types of Sculpey. Primo, you bake at 275 for 30 minutes. Same with Soufflé. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. But with this regular Sculpey 3, which is a softer clay, it's only for 15 minutes. All of these per 1/4 inch. That being said, a convection oven bakes more consistently throughout because the air is circulating around it even better, as my macaroons will tell. So it bakes 3 times more efficiently. So when this says 15 minutes for a normal oven, the convection oven only needs about 10 minutes. And when it says 30 minutes for these two for a normal oven, the convection oven only needs about 20 minutes. Now your convection oven may be different and you'll need to watch the thermometer always, just to make sure. Now a few other things you need for baking are some sort of pan or tin. I usually just put my clay pieces on here and then put them in the oven. You also need a hot pad, of course, and sometimes some tin foil to hold up your pieces, like if they have arms that need to be propped up or something like that. But that's a brief run through of how I cook my pieces. I hope that answered some questions. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe to see more, and have a great day. Bye, guys.